Welcome back to Mindful Gyaan. This week, we explored the hidden glitches in the human mind, the truths about relationships, and the invisible barriers that hold us back. If you felt stuck lately, or if you feel like your brain is working against you, this breakdown is for you. Here is a recap of 7 days of truths you might need. Let's start with day 1, the psychology facts. Number 1, the Baader-Meinhof Phenomenon. Ever learn a new word and suddenly see it everywhere? That's not a coincidence. That is your brain simply filtering for relevance. Once you care about something, you see it. Number 2, the Pratfall Effect. Stop trying to be perfect. People who are competent but make occasional mistakes are actually perceived as more likable. Your flaws make you relatable. Number 3, the Spotlight Effect. Relax. We drastically overestimate how much people notice our flaws. In reality, everyone is too busy worrying about their own. Number 4, the Benjamin Franklin Effect. If you want someone to like you, ask them for a small favor. Their brain will justify the action by thinking, I must like this person if I'm doing this for them. Number 5, cognitive dissonance. When our actions don't match our beliefs, we feel mental pain. Usually, we change our beliefs to justify the action, rather than fixing the bad behavior. Number 6, a Pygmalion effect. High expectations lead to improved performance. If you believe someone is capable, they often become so. Number 7, reciprocity. Humans are wired to return favors. Give value first without expecting anything, and the world will instinctively want to pay you back. Number 8, the false consensus effect. We tend to believe our opinions are common, even when they aren't. This is what keeps us stuck in echo chambers. And number 9, the Dunning-Kruger Effect. Beginners often overestimate their expertise, while true experts tend to underestimate theirs. Stay humble. On day 2, we faced a hard truth about relationships. Listen closely. If they really love you, they won't confuse you. You will feel safe, not anxious. If you find yourself constantly decoding their texts or wondering where you stand, read that again. Love provides clarity, not chaos. Moving on to day 3, why does a simple task sometimes feel like climbing a mountain? Psychologists call this the wall of awful every time you fail or procrastinate. You add a brick of shame to that wall. Eventually, it looks impossible to climb. But here is the secret. You shouldn't try to climb it. You need to dismantle it. One tiny, 5-minute action at a time. Stop looking at the wall and just look at the first brick. Day 4 gave us a tool for successful couples. The Sunday meeting. Don't wait for a fight to communicate. Take 10 minutes every week to ask 2 questions. 1, what did I do to make you feel loved? And 2, is there anything I can do to support you next week? And for those who overthink, day 5 introduced the 5-second rule. Your brain has a 5-second window between having an idea and the hesitation that kills it. If you don't move physically within 5 seconds, your brain will talk you out of it. So next time, count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. Day 6 exposed the lie of the comfort zone. It isn't safe. It's just a familiar place to die slowly. Always choose the pain of growth over the pain of regret. So, imagine where you could be in 12 months. If you stop saying, tomorrow, start today, your future self is waiting. Which of these truths did you need to hear the most? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for your daily mental edge.